Hi. So now that we are done with insertion, we'll learn how to delete items in a singly linked list. So there are three different ways to delete items from a singly linked list. The first one is deletion from head, from this side. The second is deletion from tail. And the third one is deletion by item value. So let's say if you want to delete a particular node, let's say 42 or 30, okay? So these are the three different ways using which you can delete nodes from a singly linked list. So we'll learn all three of them in three different videos. In this one, we'll discuss deleting from head. So let's say this is the linked list and we have four nodes. This is the head, this is the tail node, and we want to delete the first item, that is this one. Deletion is very simple. What you have to do is you have to simply ignore this particular node and you have to make the next node to be the head node. So in code, it's very simple. The first thing that you will do is you will check if the linked list is empty. How do we check that? If the head is pointing to null or the head itself is null, it means the linked list is empty. So you just print out the message cannot delete. If the linked list is not empty, then the code is very simple. You will simply write the address pointer of, basically what you will do is you will simply assign head. Basically you will make this node as your head node and you will fetch this node by writing this code, head dot next. That's the code. You are simply making this code, this node as your head node. You are moving this pointer here. That's the logic. Okay, so this node will automatically be ignored and the linked list will be starting from here. Okay, so this is the entire theory. Now let's see how to do this in code. Let's now implement the code to delete an item from head. We have our code for the node class and the linked list class. Let's now create a method in our class by the name of delete head. And over here the code is very simple. You'll simply first check whether the linked list is empty or not, and you can check it by writing this piece of code. You'll check if self.head is none, which means the linked list is empty. You'll simply print out can't delete linked list is empty. Okay, in the else part, if the linked list is not empty, the code is very simple. You'll simply assign the second node to be the head node. So self.head will now become self.head.next, and that's the code. Let's run this code and let's create a linked list object. Let's insert some items using the insert method. I'm inserting 3 items. And let's see what the linked list looks like using the traverse method. So this is the linked list right now. Now we'll delete using the delete head method. Let's check. So you can see we are able to delete items from the head. I'll do it 2 more times. So let's call this function again. So now ll.traverse is this. We'll again call the method delete head, and now traverse should give me an empty list, which is this. And now if I try deleting from head, it should give me this message, can't delete, linked list is empty. So I hope you are able to learn how to do this. We'll meet in the next video where we'll delete an item from the tail. Thanks for watching.